So, good day sir, I am that cadet Banuag and I am here to demonstrate on how to get your fixed position using 2 stars. So, the first thing to do is we have to know the formula. So, the first thing to do is get your DR position. The next is azimuth. The next is your intercept, ITP, position line, and your fixed position. So, the first one to do is get your DR position. So, in the given, we have our latitude 44 degrees 10 minutes north. So, in our longitude is 169 degrees and 30 minutes east. So that is your DR position. So the next step is to get our azimuth. So in the given we have 85.2 azimuth. So we have to plot it in the compass rose. So 80, 82, 84, 85. So it is in between 84 and 86 minutes. So the next thing we do is we have to transfer this into our DR position. So since it is the given is away, we have to put our azimuth away from the body. If it's towards, so we have to put it towards the body. So since it is away, we have to put it in the away from the body. So so that is our azimuth in star markup. So the next thing to do is to get our intercept. So the given intercept is 5.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5. And we have to move it into our DR position to our here. So this is the intercept 2. So the next thing to do is we have to get our ITP. So in order to get the ITP, you have to read the coordinates. So from here, it is 44 degrees 10 minutes north, and here so the longitude is 169 degrees and 21 east. So that is our ITP. So the next thing to do is we have to get our position line. So in order to get the position line, we have to do the alternative solution, which is you have to add and subtract. So um, our azimuth is 85.2. We have to add it 90 degrees, and it is equal to 175.2. And the next is 85.2 minus 90. It is equals to negative 4.8 plus 360 equals 355.2. So we have to plot it in the compass rose. So this is the 355.2 in the 175.2. So the next thing to do is we have to move it in the ITP. So So that is our position line of the star markup. So the next thing is you have to move on into the next star, which is the Rosal Rogue, which have the azimuth of 183.3. So we have to plot it in the compass rose. So 183 here. Next thing is we have to move our azimuth to the DR position. So since it is towards the body, um, you have to, since the body is here, you have to move it from the body. So you have to transfer it here in our DR position. Oh, no. Yeah, so this is our azimuth of the Rosal Rogue. So the next thing to do is we have to get the intercept of the Russell Rogue star. So it is 6.4. You have to plot it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. It's from DR to R. Azimuth. Here. That is our intercept 6.4. So the next thing we have to do is to get our ITP of Russell Rogue star. So in order to get our RTP, we have to read its coordinates. So this is 100 44 degrees 1 minutes north, and our longitude is here 30 degrees there. So that is our one longitude is 169 degrees 30 minutes east. So that is our RTP. So the next thing we have to do is we have to get our position line of Rosal Rogue. So we have to use the alternative solution, which is we have to add and subtract. So our azimuth from Rosal Rogue is 183.3, so we have to add it, so equals to 173.3, and the x is 183.3 minus 90 is equals to 93.3. So we have to plot it in the compass rose. So here is the 273 and the 93.3. So the next step is we have to transfer this to our DR. So like this. So this is our position line of the star Russell Rogue. Made 3. So the final step is to get our final position. So in order to get our final position, we have to get the intersection of the two position line of the two star. So this is the intersection of the position line of Russell Rogue, and this is the position line of the Markov star. So this is our fixed position. So in order to get our fixed position, we have to read its coordinates. So it is 44 it is 44 degrees and 4 minutes north, and for our longitude is it is 169 degrees and 24 east. So that is how you get your fixed position using two stars. Thank you for watching.